Hello everyone, in this tutorial you will first open the drawing created in tutorial 1 of this chapter and then generate dimensions and add annotations to it. Opening and saving the drawing document. You need to open the drawing document created in tutorial 1 of this chapter in the Autodesk Fusion 360 window and save it with a different name. Open the C08 Tut01 document from the folder of the current chapter in the data panel of Autodesk Fusion 360. Right click here, then choose Open option from the shortcut menu. The drawing document gets open here. Choose File, Save As from the application bar and save the document with the name C08 Tut03 in the same folder. Click here, then choose Save As option from the application bar. Save As dialog box is displayed here. Enter C08 Tut03 in the name edit box. Now click on the Save button. Creating center lines and center marks. Before creating the dimensions of the model, you need to create center lines and center marks. Choose the center mark option from the geometry panel in the ribbon. You are prompted to select the whole or rounded edge. Click here, then choose Center Mark tool from the geometry panel. Select the whole. Again you are prompted to select the whole or rounded edge. Select the whole. Select the other hidden edge of the pin and press the escape key to exit from the tool. Select the other hidden edge of the pin and then press escape key from the keyboard to exit from the tool. Choose the centerline tool from the geometry panel. In the ribbon, you are prompted to select the edge. Click here, then choose centerline tool from the geometry panel. Select the edge. You are prompted to select the second edge. Select this edge. Now you are prompted to select the second edge. Select the second edge. A center line is created between the selected edges of the drawing. Now select the second edge. You can see that center line is created between the selected edges. Similarly, select this edge and this edge. Now you can see that center line is created between the selected edges. Additionally, draw a center line between the edges of one of the cutouts of the train wheel. Select this edge and this edge. Now you can see that center line is created between the edges of one of the cutouts of the train wheel. Press the escape key to exit the tool. Press the escape key. Adding dimensions to the drawing views. Next, you need to generate the dimensions using the dimension tool. Choose the diameter dimension tool from the dimension panel. In the ribbon, you are prompted to select the edge. Click here, then choose diameter dimension tool from the dimensions panel. Select the circular edge of the features and dimension them. Select this edge and Then place the dimension here. Now select this one and place the dimension here. Next you have to select this one and place the dimension here. Similarly you have to select this edge and place the dimension here. Now select this circular edge and place the dimension here. Similarly select this one and place the dimension here. Now you have to select this one, place the dimension here. Next you need to dimension cutout of the train wheel with respect to the origin. Before dimensioning the cutout of the train wheel with respect to the origin, you have to create center line. Choose the center line tool from the geometry panel and then create center line between the edges of the cutout of the train wheel. Then right click here and then choose OK from the marking menu. You have to also create center mark. So click here and then choose center mark tool from the geometry panel. Select this edge, right click here, then choose OK from the marking menu. Choose angular dimension from the dimensions panel. In the ribbon, you are prompted to select the edge. Click here, then choose angular dimension from the dimensions panel. Select center line of the wheel and center line of the cutout of the wheel and place the dimension outside the view. Select this center line and then select the center line of the cutout of the wheel and place the dimension here. Right click here, then choose OK from the marking menu. Similarly apply other angular and radial dimension. Again click here and choose angular dimension tool from the dimensions panel. Then select this edge and this edge. Place the dimension here. Now select this center line and this edge. Place the dimension here. Right click here, then choose OK from the marking menu. For the better visualization, you can rearrange dimensions by dragging down. Click here and just drag it. Similarly, click here and just drag it. Now click here and drag it. Next click here, then choose radius dimension tool from the dimensions panel and then select this edge. Place the dimension here. Now select this one and place the dimension here. Similarly select this one and place dimension here. Now you can see that required dimensions are applied to the cutout feature. Adding the datum identifier symbol to the drawing view. After generating the dimensions, you need to add the datum feature symbol to the drawing view. The datum feature symbols are used as datum reference for adding the geometric tolerance to the drawing views. Choose datum identifier from the symbols panel. In the ribbon, you are prompted to select the object. Click here, then choose datum identifier from the symbols panel. Select the edge of the outer cylindrical feature from the top view. You are prompted to specify the point. Select this edge. Specify the point at an appropriate location. Click here. Press Enter key and choose the OK button from the datum identifier dialog box. Press Enter key and then choose OK button from the datum identifier dialog box. Adding the geometric tolerance to the drawing view. After defining the datum feature symbol, you need to add geometric tolerance to the drawing view. Choose the Feature Control Frame tool from the Symbols panel. In the ribbon, you are prompted to select the object. Click here, then choose Feature Control Frame tool from the Symbols panel. From the top view, select cylindrical edge having diameter of 140 mm. You are prompted to specify the start point. Select cylindrical edge having diameter of 140 mm. Specify the point at an appropriate location and press the Enter key. The Feature Control Frame dialog box is displayed. Click here to place the point and then press Enter key. Feature Control Frame dialog box is displayed here. Choose the concentricity symbol from the characteristic drop-down list under the first frame node in the Feature Control Frame dialog box. Click here, then choose Concentricity option from this drop-down list. Enter 0.01 in the tolerance edit box under the first frame node. Enter 0.01 in the tolerance edit box. Enter A in the first datum edit box to define the primary datum reference under first frame. Enter A in the first datum edit box under the first frame node. Choose the OK button from the Feature Control Frame dialog box. You may need to move the geometric tolerance if it overlaps the dimension. Click on the OK button. Now saving the drawing. Next you need to save the drawing file. Choose the Save option from the File menu. Click here, then choose Save option from the File menu. Save dialog box is displayed here. Now click on the OK button to save the drawing. Thank you for watching this video.